Bernie here again from Mettex. Today I'm going to show you how to top up your KJ60s and also change the mandrels. First off, we'll start by changing the M8 mandrel down to an M6 mandrel. Just you want to unscrew the head. Take the tool off the air. Unscrew the head. You've got a little pin in there that you need to pull back with either a rivet or the pin that's supplied in the box. And then you unscrew your mandrel. Just that. You take your M6 mandrel, hold the pin back again, screw it in, and then make sure that the pin locks in all the way forward. And you take your ring nut from your M8 head, and put that onto your M6 head. It's important that you use the ring nuts, because if you put these in without locking the ring nut up to it, over time you'll damage the threads on there and in the sleeve. That's it. We'll also show you how to adjust the stroke and set up for inserts as well. So now we've put the M6 mandrel in, what we'll do is we'll show you how to set it so it sets right. First thing you do is reduce the stroke down by turning this towards the negative mark. Turn that down quite a lot, and then you put your insert in, push it down, and then you pull. And obviously there's not enough stroke to set the insert. So then what you do is you keep moving this towards the plus position and keep trying until you get your desired formation. And then we'll just try another one. That's it. And then you would check again when you put it in your material just to make sure you're getting the same formation. And then we'll just show you how to top up the oil as well. You shouldn't need to do it too often on these tools. They don't need oiling as often as a rivet tool. But for this you'll need a 5mm Allen key, which they do come in the case. You get your 5mm Allen key and you've got your pin for releasing the mandrels in the case, and you've also got your filler bottle. And what you do once your tool starts losing stroke and it's perhaps taking 2 pulls to set your insert, you'll find that you've had a loss of oil. So what we do is we undo the oil plug, keep the tool on its side. Now it's important now that you don't press the trigger, because you will release the oil in your face probably. Then we screw the priming bottle on. You will get a little bit of spillage, and then we'll set the trigger. Obviously this is a new tool, so it won't really show any bubbles coming up, but when you've lost oil and you press the trigger, you'll get bubbles coming up here, which is just replacing the air with the oil. And once you do that, till no more bubbles come, unscrew that, put that away, put your cap back on. You don't need to go over tight with this, pinch it up, and get the tool away. That is how you look after your KJ60. Don't forget, any issues with your tools, just give me a call at Mettex and we'll get it sorted.